So, this phone is claimed to be one of the best budget phones out there. So let's see what's in the box. The Xiaomi Mi A1. Now in terms of design, this is a design we see a lot. But this is also in the red one. The good thing about this version, so you have the Mi A1 but also the Mi 5X if I'm correct, is that the Mi A1 is on Android 1 compared to their own system. So there's hardly any bloatware on there. It's the global version, as you can see right here. Other than that, of course, we have the basic specs. A dual camera that actually does capture the depth of field, which is good. Snapdragon 625 and a 5.5 inch Full HD. 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory. And like it says, the special edition red. So let's start with unboxing this one. Let's see where I can best cut it. Right. There we go. Let's put that one aside. Let's see how we open this one. Okay, it's a sliding one. Yes, it is. There we go. Let's remove that one and then we can open the box. First thing that we get with everything is the phone first. This looks so much better than I actually thought in terms of color. Very nice, but we're gonna look at that later. And it's also really cold though. Don't like that. It makes a little bit of a sound like something is loose, but that's a lot of things. Inside we also have a screen protector and a cloth. And of course inside here we have our basics. A wall plug, a USB cable, and this is actually a USB-C, which is really nice to see, as you can see right there. Other than that, inside we have our papers here. Let's see on the other side if we have anything there. No, that's it. So you get, of course, your manuals, you get your SIM injection tool, and your cables. Now let's look at the phone now. Okay, let's remove this one. Go on. There we go. This is a really nice looking red. I'm not sure if the camera captures it properly, but that's a really nice looking red. It's actually a really thin phone though. Actually really thin. Okay, let's remove the front one. At the side we have a volume button and the power button. At the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C, and a headphone jack. And this is really a thin phone, like I said. And it still has the headphone jack. Surprising. It has a dual camera, like I said, that actually properly works. And a fingerprint scanner below it. Of course, because this is a metal phone, we have our antenna bands right there going along the body, which is fine. I don't have any problems with that. And it actually feels really solid, apart from this sound. I don't like that, but that's, you know, that's more phones have that. So, like I said, on here, Android 1 version. But let's start with powering it on. If it has any juice, of course it should have, right? Yeah, there we go. But this red is really beautiful, really beautiful. Nothing wrong with red. And it's also the chamfer, the edges have this red highlight that makes it look so much nicer as well. It emphasizes the red in a way. And there we go. So let's set this up and I'll be back with you guys in a moment. So after everything is done, we finally have the phone set up. And like I said, this is the Android 1 version, so it's a really clean software. We have everything that we need. And compared to their own skin, you know, you have an app tray, which is really nice to have. And it actually is just smooth animation. Everything seems to be working really smooth. So I'm happy with that. Right now, of course, I don't have a lot installed. You do have some apps pre-installed from Xiaomi themselves. But of course, you also have some apps pre-installed from Google themselves, which is logical. Overall, this seems like a really nice phone. I like the display. There's nothing wrong with it. especially for the price, because at the moment of recording this is 173 euros, which is actually quite nice, especially for a red version like this. It kind of looks like, you know, it has a resemblance of the OnePlus 5 and the 5T, which is a general shape used by more companies. But it really looks nice and it really looks clean. Either way, stay tuned for the full review. I'm gonna of course test the phone out and see how it is. Overall the design looks nice. Bezels on the top and the bottom, I don't really mind. It's more the side bezels that I would like to have less on phones. But this is fine. Overall the design looks really nice. And it's, you know, a good price. Let's find out if for 173 euros we're gonna get a lot. I'm gonna add some small pictures that I did to see if the bokeh effect properly works, and I will show you guys in the video as well. Either way, have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys in the next